Hello, teacher. Guys, from my next vacation are divided in parts. First day of the next Christmas holiday, I want to travel to San Andres Island together with my family and my girlfriend. But first, we must stop in the Medellin. When I return for San Andres, I want to work in the night year the Aguinaldo. Um, Good night with my family. Holiday, Pascuas, and here in Monteria. By the end year, we'll travel to the town, meet well family. In January, I'll to travel to Cartagena to visit the other family and enjoy from the beach, the typical food in France. Eh, by the end of January, I will return to Monteria. This is all this vacation. Bye.